Taif fruit market. Used to be completely different. Now they have these little stalls everywhere. Go, अनार तो नहीं होता ना?
अनार चेक कर.
Stunning views, mashallah. Okay, so there's too much wind noise going on and my audio didn't catch too much on this part. But basically we are here at Miqat Qarn Al Manazil and I'm going to be doing a voiceover on some of these parts. Sell supplies here too. Articles and... अच्छा बना हुआ है माशाल्लाह.
जी. मिकात यहाँ से मना एहराम बांधा था.
जी.
आप अंदर चक्कर लगा के आएंगे. ये मिकात मस्जिद चेक करेंगे.
Mashallah, the view is amazing. Miqat Qarn Al Manazil. Okay, so Miqat Qarn Al Manazil is the Miqat for the people of Najd, where the Prophet ﷺ mentioned that all of the people of Najd assume ihram from Qarn. This is located on the eastern bank of Wadi Qarn Al Sayl Al Kabir on the Taif to Makkah road near Al Hada, situated roughly 80-ish kilometers northeast of Makkah. So this place also goes by the name Wadi Muharram. I'm just going to give a quick reasoning behind the name for Qarn Al Manazil. So the name Qarn encompasses the entire valley that's in this region. And actually Qarn was mentioned in the events in the Battle of Hunain in Taif in 630. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ stayed there on his way to the Battle of Taif. And Qarn is also mentioned in geographical sources as a station of the Yamani HAJJ route. So people residing in Taif, Riyadh, UAE, Pakistan, these areas, normally if they're traveling through Saudi Arabia, they will get into ihram at this miqat or before this miqat. Usually if you're in Dubai, you get into ihram before you take off on your flight, or if you're in Pakistan, you get into ihram before you get your flight for Jeddah, and so on and so forth, basically. Somebody's car alarm is off. So loud. It's beautiful masjid. This Miqat. Mashallah, look how beautiful it is. Bismillah. Mashallah. They have the electronic library over here as well. Mashallah. Such a beautiful masjid. This Miqat is for pilgrims coming from Taif area. So if you're coming from Taif, that area, you go to this Miqat, get into your ihram, do your 2 rakat, and inshallah head to Masjid for Umrah. Oh, check this out, beautiful. MashaAllah. It smells so nice in here. Fresh itar, and it's like ice cold. West it's already ice, like pretty cold outside. Like, kid you not, low 70s with a nice breeze. And just coming in here, it's even nicer. You don't sweat at all. Usually, in Saudi around this time of the year, it's very hot. But here, mashallah, the AC's running. It's so nice, so peaceful, mashallah. Beautiful place, mashallah. These are the prayer times. It's the Dhuhr time. I mean, we have about 10 minutes till Dhuhr, so I might just stay for Dhuhr. Let's see, inshallah. Ice cold, mashallah. There's a view from here on the side. You can see it's so beautiful, mashallah. Oof, man. what a blessing it must be to like be able to come here to do prayers, mashallah. Like if you live here, oof, I would love to. So nice. Mashallah. Back from my Taif trip, bahut acha trip tha, mashallah. Went to all the ziyarat, mashallah. And I just want to say, if you reach this point in the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon.